How easy is it to make $100,000 in your first year of real estate investing? Stay tuned. I'm going to show you just how easily you can do it. And you can do it as little as one or two deals. And I'm going to show you examples here. All right. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. And if you get anything out of this, make sure you click on the like button and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever we put out new videos. Now, I'm going to show you an example of two different deals we did here recently, but one is going to close next week and one is going to close in a couple weeks thereafter here at the end of the month. But I'll show you just how easy it is to make that 100 plus K profit. And we're going to do it here in two sample deals. So let me do a little screen share here with you. All right, first property we got here. And this is in Trails Edge Drive in Hubbard, Ohio. And this property, as you can see, pretty good shape now because we did a minor rehab on it. We did put some money into it, and I'm going to show you the funds here. Per property we purchased for $173,250, put $43,664 in renovations, plus down money and closing costs, or holding costs, I should say, of $37,789. And then we have anticipating closing costs, which is commission paid to a realtor, plus transfer taxes, transfer fees, title, all that kind of stuff. And our sale price is $345,000. We had 6 offers, all of them over ask, multiple ones with escalation clauses. And with this property, as you see, we are going to net nearly $70,000, $69,796.73. Now, the second property, Cuero, Texas, purchased for $50,800, put $13,600 roughly in renovations. We have down money and holding costs minimal here, $3,457. Closing costs, because we have a $4,480 seller assist plus commission plus selling cost, $13,380 for a net profit of $46,764.48. Between these two deals, you add them up, $116,561.21. And again, we can far exceed this because look at our purchase price here. Our purchase date, I should say. We bought this one on February 1st of 2023, and we're going to sell this on June 23rd of 2023. And you go to Cuero, Texas. We purchased this January 26th, and we're going to sell it on June 30th of 2023. So as you can see, these properties were able to be purchased, renovated, and sold fairly quickly without any issues here. Now let's look at the Hubbard, Ohio properties. You can kind of see what we did here as far as renovations. We did clean up landscaping here, pressure washed everything, took a lot of trees down. On the inside, we pressure washed the sidewalk here, painted and redid the front door, cleaned the carpet, did some painting as needed, very minimal paint work in here. But our biggest cost, believe it or not, were in the basement. As you can see, everything's kind of still dated, but it's a humongous property, 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 6,370 square foot property. In the basement, we had to put new drywall in throughout because what happened was there were so many leaves and everything clogging the gutters that water ran down behind the side of the house and into the basement and into the drywall area here where we'd clean that out, remediate any moisture issues and mold, clean all of that up, and list the property and sold it very, very quickly. That was, again, a little bit bigger rehab, 44,000 into it. This one, much smaller property, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 1,320 square feet. We didn't have to do too much. We did end up buying a stove to put in here. We did end up doing some cleanup of the floors and repainting of the property as needed, just touching up paint, touching up some items, repainted the exterior here. And we do have to repaint because the FHA appraisal, we do end up having to repaint the exterior in the front here as well. So we're going to be finishing that up with a few minor repairs. And just as a little proof of concept here, you can see the pending sale. This wasn't a sale price, but this is what it was listed at. We picked it up for $50,800. And we had a list for 125. We had multiple buyers, had escalation clause, again, got up to 128,000. Very similar to Hubbard, Ohio. If you want to go down here and look and see what we purchased it for, you will find it was listed for 245, then 235. We got it for 173, 173,250. We listed it for 335, had bidding wars, like I said, 6 offers above and beyond with escalation clauses, and we are selling it for $345,000, showing the net profit roughly 70 and close to 47 on this one, $116,561 and 21 cents. So this is an example of how you can make over 100,000 in your first year real estate investing. And this is in the first half of the first year. Imagine doubling this, doing 2 more deals like this, maybe 3, maybe 4. It's pretty easy to see how you can get to $250,000, $500,000 in no time at all. Again, this example of how you can do this. We do teach this at REO Auction Academy. Reach out to us if you have any questions on it. We'd be happy to bring you through the program, tell you about what we do and how we educate. And we do joint venture deals with students as well for those that don't have the funds to close. All right, guys, hopefully you got something out of this, and we will catch you in the next video.